Hi everybody, this is Gary Weitz for Purebred Studios. It's Friday, April 20th, 2012, and we're happy to be providing coverage again this year of the Dachshund Club of America's National Specialty Show here in Pine Mountain, Georgia. And we're watching the winner's dog class for smooth variety come into the ring. Seated next to me is Dr. Andy Kostick, the president of the Washington, D.C. Metropolitan Dachshund Club, and he's going to be doing the narrating for most of the varieties as we watch this morning. Andy, what are we going to see this morning? Please take it away.
Okay. Our judge today is the distinguished longtime Dachshund breeder, Marcy Forster. Marcy has been in dogs at least 30 years, even though she looks not a day over 39. And our entry today is a total of 89 dogs have been entered under Marcy. This is the winner's dog class. These dogs have already defeated other dogs today to make it this far. And she is making her final selection for the dog that will be winner's dog, that will get the, besides the honor of winning winner's dog smooth at Dachshund Club of America, gets points towards their championship because all these dogs are non-champions. Now, Marcy has already examined these dogs on the table, going over the structure, conformation, bite, and this is go round as she's reconfirming her impressions, watching the movement.
Yeah, they're coming at us fast and furiously, and do we have a list of our class winners here? Maybe we could mention their names. Again, it's going to be kind of hard to match them all up here because of the speed, but if we have that, maybe we can go through that, Jerry.
Okay. The puppy dog 69 class winner was Diagram Joydens Grant, Smooth Standard, owned by Diane Graham and Sheila Spangler in Dublin, Virginia. This puppy dog's 9 to 12 months winner was Keenose Midnight in Casablanca, owned by Susan Bataski and Peter Bataski in Bradenton, Florida. Our 12 to 18 month dog winner was Ad Sims Mr. Chester at Kleindock's MS Mini Smooth, owned by Carol Ann and Leslie Klein, Miami Shores, Florida. First in the bred by exhibitor dogs class was a Diagram Joydens Flynn SS Smooth Standard by Diane Graham and Sheila Spangler in Dublin, Virginia. The American bred dog was number 355, Aviance's Victor Victorious SS Smooth Standard, owned by John Contepe, Okeechobee, Florida. Black and tan, and all other coats, Loopshire Cochana, Sir Johann Wolfgang, owned by Betty Lupton in Mount Laurel, New Jersey. Now Marcy is regating the dogs, again looking specifically, in this case, as they're going away from her, looking at the front and rear movement.
We're now looking at Keenose Midnight in Casablanca, the 9 and under 12-month dog class winner. Owners, Susan and Peter Butsakas of Bradenton, Florida.
Looks like we might be getting ready for our final decision here for our winner's dog in our smooth variety.
And we have winner's dog number 349. Diagram Joy Dens Flynn SS Smooth Standard.